We're back in Oklahoma to work on Blue. There she is. So pretty. Okay, let's see what Alphonse is doing inside. I'm going to open it up. Let me turn it around. Can I turn it around? I don't think I can. All right, let's go inside. Let's see what Alphonse is doing. Right now, hi baby. We're getting measurements. And we're going to attempt to, so we're measuring the bed right now to make sure that our queen mattress fits. Then we're just going to measure everything. I think we're going to take this out right here. We're probably going to take out these cabinets because it doesn't really match our color scheme. This bench, he just kind of put, like, it is nice. It doesn't have a handle or anything, so you just kind of have to, like, you got to dig your finger under and then lift it up. But so that's what we're doing today. We were thinking about getting a new battery, but it seems fine right now. So we're just gonna do what we can do. We're taking measurements. Go, baby, go! We're gonna get rid of this big control panel, replace it for something else. So we gotta take out all these screws. We'll show you the end result when we're done. Woo! We're making progress. Go, baby, go! Alright, so we're making progress, but as you can see, Alphonse is trying to unscrew this big thing, and it's, what's it called, baby?
Star pattern.
A star pattern? Something, so we don't exactly have the right tool for it, so it's taking us forever, but the good thing is that I was able to get the little, like, the white pad that they had, see right here, off the bed, and then we're just going to get rid of those, what do they call them, egg foam things, and use our own. So stay tuned. So we just went out the bus, and look! Are they quail, baby? Are they quails?